And finally, we have the birdies. That is good. Okay. So with the birdies, they're pretty easy. So what we do is we just pull out the bottom tray like so. And then you take out the newspapers. So you take out the newspapers. And then we throw it away here. Now this is a trash can. So we do the same for all three birds. We pull it out and then we throw out the newspapers. And we put it there. And the same with Ruby Bird. And then we put in the new newspapers up here. So we get the new newspapers. And after we throw out the old newspapers, then we lay out the new ones on the bottom. Like so. Okay, so we just put it in just like we do the previous newspapers. And then never open the big doors because then they won't go back inside the cage. So don't open and don't open here, okay? So to change the water, we go like this. Turn to the right. And you turn to the right and it pull out. And you take out the water like this and you put it on the ground. And always close it because they'll come out and not go back in. And you do the same for all the birds. So this one you pull back and then open. Take it out. Put it here. And then we close it. Slide it back and close it. Then we can bring it because he made a mess putting his food in. So we throw it out, dump it in the bushes. So here's the bushes that we dump it in. And we come over here and I have water here. So you dump it. And you brush it out. There's a brush. You just brush it out like this. And you dump it. You add fresh water. And you're done. And you come back around. And you put it down again. And then we open this, turn to the right, pull back, and we put the water in. And the water's in. Make sure it's closed. And that's the water and the newspaper. Okay, and now for the food, we open the same way. And we look here. Sometimes they poop in there and then we'll have to throw everything into the trash. But if there's no poop in there and there's still some food, then what we can do is we can add some more. So we add like a 1/3 scoop. And then we put here. And then the other bag has it has their nuts and pastas. So everybody gets about like 6 pastas and 2 nuts. Okay, so I'll get 1 walnut and what else? Cranberry and cashew. Okay, like this. Not too much because these are treats. So we put it in here and that's it. So this will last a couple days. So you don't have to do this every day. So for the food and water and newspapers, we can do every other day. And we do the same with each bird. So we add food. No poop? Okay. So we can add some more. Add about like 1/3 scoop. And then like 6 pastas. 6 pastas, cranberry, and split the nuts to 2, and done. So, oh no, I forgot to close it. Okay, I need to close it. So put it on the ground. Always close the door so they don't come out. And then after you do it, then you open and put the food in. Okay. Like this. And close it. Okay. And that's it. Thank you so much. And that's the birdie care. And here's a trash can. And when it's full, we throw it in the bin, just like we did the kitty litter. And I'll provide extra trash bags somewhere here. And here's the newspapers. Thank you.